Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. So, how does one hacker control thousands of computers? Well, they have a hidden headquarters. It's called a command and control infrastructure, or C2. Basically, malware needs a boss to give it orders. Just picture it like the hacker's central headquarters. Their mothership for all the bad stuff. So the second your computer gets infected, the malware inside immediately tries to phone home. This beaconing is the malware calling its C2 server, asking, okay, what do I do next? And what's on the line here? Everything. Your passwords, your files, even your financial information. And this isn't just theory. Let's look at a very real C2 server from recent security alerts. This address right here, it's a real-world hacker hub, the central point for their entire operation. And look at what they're stealing. Your browser passwords, crypto wallets, personal files, you name it.
So the big question is, how do you stop it? The good news? You can totally cut the line.
This secret weapon is something called DNS filtering. Think of it as a digital bouncer for your network. With it, that malicious connection is just blocked, flat out. Access denied. The threat is neutralized. It basically hangs up the call before the hacker on the other end can even pick up. So by blocking that one connection, you make their whole operation powerless. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.